In this video, I'm going to show you how to add session breaks in GoCharting. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is open any chart, and then you want to go to the top right and click on this Settings cogwheel button. And when you do that, you want to go to Sessions over here, which is this tab about in the middle. Now, when you do that, you have two options. You could either select any of these preset options over here, so we can just click on the drop down, and you have some of these sessions over here. So if I do, for example, CME, and I click on Apply Group, as you can see, it's going to put it on my chart in the back. Now I could also go and use something else, like for example this one, click on Apply Group, and there we go, it's going to get put on here. You also have US stocks, etc. Okay, now to remove it, you want to go back to No Sessions and click on Apply Group, and you are good to go. But the second option is to actually add a new custom group of your session breaks. So you can click on Add New Group over here, and then when you do that, you have to give it a name. We're going to name this one, for example, Group 1 Tutorial, like this, or something like this. And then of course here you can select your time zone and click on Add New Session. Whenever you do this, you want to add a label. So I'm going to just call this label 1, and I'm going to change the color to a red, and then end time is going to be 3, and I'm going to approve it. Then you want to add a new session, and of course that way you can add as many as you want. This one's going to be label 2. I'm going to make it yellow. There we go, just like this. And then the time here is going to be 4. I'm going to approve it. And let's also add a new one over here. Let's call this one label 3. You can of course call these whatever you want. I'm going to give it a color, and then I'm going to click on here to set the time, and that's going to be 5. So I'm going to approve it, and when you're done, click on Add Sessions Group, and as you can see, inside the drop-down menu, you now have the new created one as well, so you can just click on it, and then click on Apply Group, and there we go, it's going to get applied onto your chart. So that's how to do this, that's how to add session breaks. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.